Hello and welcome back to Investing Guide. Famous YouTuber Ben Armstrong, more popularly known as Bitboy Crypto, has recently aired his opinions regarding the trend of Cardano, the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the market. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitboy's prediction for Cardano and how it will rise to $150 and maybe even soar higher. So stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss out on the latest Cardano price predictions for 2021 by crypto experts. Before we move on though, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below so that you always get updated whenever we upload something from the world of investing. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. In a recent YouTube video with Crypto Jeb, Bitboy showcased his bullishness on Cardano ADA, stating that the digital currency's got the potential to reach $8 before the end of the altcoin cycle. He based most of his expectations on the fact that the blockchain project is already gathering institutional interests. So, in the course of the conversation, both Ben Armstrong and Crypto Jeb shared their reasons for being bullish on Cardano ADA. According to Armstrong, other similar projects, such as Polkadot ADA and Elrond, have also had a place. But the major focus is on the two giants, which are Cardano and Ethereum. During the conversation, Ben Armstrong said, "I love Cardano. I think Cardano and Ethereum are going to be around for a long time. I think Polkadot factors in somewhere, but I really personally believe in Ethereum and Cardano. I think that Polkadot has a place, I think Elrond has a place, and Solana has a place. But I think we're looking at the two giants here, and I think they're going to remain that way." He also added, "We're now seeing some institutions are looking at Cardano, and I think there's a reason for that. They understand the long-term play." Jeb also added during the conversation, saying, "I think Cardano is going to do exceptionally well in the long term, especially as it's coming out of the price discovery phase that happened in Q4 of last year. It's rallied up to $1.48, and I think based on all the fundamentals that you and I are talking about here, it's going to go much higher. I think in the next 2 years, it could go between $5 and $15. In fact, in the next couple of months, I think it's going to go more like $2 or $3. While a lot of pessimists may want to disagree with Bitboy and Jeb, their predictions may not be unfounded. There is a lot planned for the Cardano coin as Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is touring the African continent, meeting regulators and forging partnerships with the government and statesmen. One huge issue that Charles Hoskinson has consistently pointed out is that US regulators have yet to focus on building the blockchain industry. He believes that governments have infringed upon privacy and censored public information. The Cardano founder is relying on the smart cow effect for Cardano to affect the options of regulators and governments around the world. During a Q&A session on YouTube, Hoskinson pointed out the fact that Africa is in a unique position, and it's got a unique passion to start implementing blockchain tech into their system. He believes that the continent is well positioned to take advantage of the development of blockchain tech with a progressing technology upgrade. Quoting a blog post by IOHK, "Well, Africa really is something special and interesting as a continent in that it's ready to go through a massive upgrade. There are no allegiances to the systems of the past because those systems haven't historically worked out well there. So that means over the next 10-20 years, every single thing from how compliance works to how stock markets are going to work, to how national IDs work, to how academia is going to work, it's all up for change." The question to answer, however, is, how can this affect the price of the Cardano coin? Well, if Cardano can properly take advantage of its innovation in a ripe continent like Africa, the adoption of its blockchain network and token will spread, thereby increasing the price of its coin. Another big part of the conversation is that in a continent like Africa, if that does actually adopt the Cardano blockchain and it works, other countries are going to be more interested in what they have to offer. With that in mind, a lot of analysts are unanimous about the future of ADA, and they believe it could be a huge comeback to the top of the list of cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Gert van Leggen, another YouTuber and cryptocurrency analyst, said that ADA will dive into its price discovery mode in the current bull market. He bases his prediction on how the ADA token performed during the 2017 bull run. Let's now take a look at the Cardano numbers that the analysis have put out for Cardano's future prices. As of time of production, Cardano was ranked 4th on the list of top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. It's now selling at $2.30 per token. In early 2018, analysis predicted that Cardano ADA would exceed the $1 mark and possibly continue to grow from there. The first part of the Cardano price prediction materialized quickly, but the cryptocurrency failed to interest others and increased further and thus moved down instead. Over time, Cardano has managed to push every single bearish trend coming out strong. This is why analysts like Lagan are optimistic about the future of the coin. Lagan has also predicted that the ADA price will hit $22 by 2022. Feeding off the ongoing bull trend of the market, Lagan believes that the Cardano ADA will push past the $10 price point by the end of 2021. As per Trading Beast's Cardano ADA price prediction, well, ADA is expected to remain neutral to bearish for some time. They predict that the price will trade lower and close the year at $1.90. In 2022, they continue to predict a slow but steady decline in price towards the end of the year. Then, they expect the price to eventually recover a little around $2. The following years after that will then see a slightly bullish ADA price prediction, as it is expected that Cardano's price will become stable above $3 in 2024. While investors' ADA price prediction for the coming years, on the other hand, is a lot more bullish. They predicted Cardano will rise over 115% in 2022. They're so bullish that they've stated that they don't expect Cardano's price to reach down towards any significant support. In 2022, they predicted that Cardano's future will stabilize around $14. Turning to CoinSwitch, the outlet maintains its conservative style in predicting the future of the ADA price point. Cardano is listed on CoinSwitch is of the opinion that Cardano is a fast-growing technology and will see wider adoption in the coming years. This should naturally translate into higher ADA coin prices, but CoinSwitch also mentioned some coins that may hinder upward price movements. So, does Cardano have a future? There is every reason to believe that Cardano will change the industry's rules of the game, just like Ethereum did back in its time. Investing in this project could now potentially bring some solid returns. The only thing that could stop the bullish momentum is negative market sentiment. If general market sentiment becomes negative, the asset's price may suffer along with the other cryptocurrencies. Currently, Cardano is under the influence of a strong upward trend. The successful launch of the Shelley update has boosted ADA's functionality to a higher level, thus bringing more value to the blockchain network. Cardano has gained tremendous confidence in its actual use, as experts say it is one of the truly decentralized networks in the blockchain industry. The odds of ADA going up are pretty high. The utility for ADA is also likely to increase following a surprise spike in its daily active wallet users and transactions on the network. Cardano is currently working on a two-layer solution called Hydra. As we're well aware of the Alonso update and how it added smart contracts to the Cardano network, well, as a result of this new functionality, Cardano attracted massive amounts of traffic to its network in the following weeks. As of September 2021, Cardano started a discussion about incorporating a two-layer solution it was calling Hydra. Hydra is said to be the company's next step in increasing the scalability of the Cardano blockchain network. Here lies the reason most analysts consider Cardano ADA an Ethereum killer. One of the biggest things that has plagued Ethereum is the heavy transaction fees. It's pushed a large number of developers and users to the Cardano blockchain network. With that being said, Hydra is being designed to regulate the fees on the Cardano blockchain even further. Just in case you don't see it yet, if Cardano meets its objectives with Hydra, they are certainly going to 5x or 10x the amount of traffic it's got right now. With that level of traffic, the company has automatically boosted its ADA coin users, which will impact the price positively. Cardano boasts an impressive development team and a long-term vision for its blockchain and cryptocurrency. While the platform's primary goal is to use ADA crypto, the blockchain will reach new levels with the new phases, and it will get into that in the coming years. And the capabilities will extend its applicability to participants of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Cardano's solution for scalability, transaction speed, and increased network security will bring benefits for investors in the foreseeable future. But let us know your thoughts on the future of the ADA coin. Do you think it's going to go bullish or bearish? Let us know down below. And we've now come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of our future videos. And while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen.